Your Audi A4 seat refuses to slide, leaving you stuck? Don't panic because the fix might be surprisingly simple today. A stuck seat affects comfort, driving position, and safety, but diagnosing the real cause takes only a few careful checks. Ignoring a frozen seat can reduce visibility, create uncomfortable driving posture, and even increase fatigue during longer road trips. Most Audi A4 seat problems involve electrical power, blocked tracks, faulty switches, or damaged seat adjustment motors over time. Start by checking underneath the seat for coins, debris, or objects blocking the sliding rails from moving freely. Electric seat motors rely on switches, wiring, fuses, and battery power working together before the mechanism can move smoothly. One owner discovered a child's toy wedged inside the rail, completely preventing the seat from sliding either direction safely. If the motor hums without movement, worn gears or damaged tracks could be causing the problem instead. Next, test every seat adjustment direction because one failed switch can stop only specific movements while others still function. Sometimes disconnecting and reconnecting the battery may reset electronic seat controls after certain electrical glitches occur unexpectedly. Professional technicians recommend scanning for diagnostic trouble codes before replacing expensive motors or electronic control components unnecessarily today. Clean the seat tracks regularly and avoid forcing the mechanism because prevention is always easier than expensive repairs later. Remember, inspect the rails, switches, wiring, fuses, and motor before assuming your Audi needs expensive replacement parts immediately. With careful troubleshooting, many stuck Audi A4 seats can be fixed at home without replacing costly components or assemblies. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, comment with your experience, and share it so more Audi owners fix theirs.